Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the Microsoft Software Engineering Internship role that has opened up. This will be a fully on-site internship. It will be, of course, a software engineering internship where you will be contributing as an individual contributor. The qualifications that they have listed are: you should be currently pursuing your bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, software engineering, or any other related field, and you should be having at least one semester or one term remaining once you complete your internship. So after you complete your internship, you should be having at least one semester or one term remaining. And of course, they want you to demonstrate a good understanding of computer science fundamentals, including data structures, algorithms, OOPS concepts, OS concepts, which you will be tested um, in your interview rounds. So, moving on to the hiring process that they follow. They will be having a total of 3 to 4 rounds that you will have to sit for. The first round will be an online coding assessment at metal.com. So you'll be asked 3 questions of easy to medium level difficulty, and you'll be given a time limit of 90 minutes. So in 90 minutes, you will have to solve 3 coding DSA questions, which will be of easy to medium level. Once you get through this round, you will be receiving an email confirming that yes, you've been shortlisted for the next round, and you will have to sit for your next round, which will be a technical interview. So this technical interview will be the second one, will be a virtual technical interview on the Teams app. So here again, you will have to definitely keep your camera on at all times of the interview and share your screen. You'll be asked to solve DSA questions in this round as well. So Microsoft allows you to use your preferred IDE for the virtual interview, so you can code on your preferred IDE. And again, you'll be asked to code a question which will be easy to medium level. And again, think about your solution first. Go with the brute force approach, then optimize it, improve the time complexity. You will be asked to do it. If your solution doesn't have the best time complexity, you'll be asked to improve it. After your coding question gets solved, you will be asked questions about your projects. Make sure you know about what tech stacks you've used and why you've used them. And again, you'll be asked some concepts of OOPS in this round. So the entire interview will not go beyond 40 to 50 minutes. So make sure when you're solving your DSA question, you solve it fast, because so that you can have time to actually demonstrate the other skills that you have in your projects or other questions that they ask, which is not a part of coding. So this is your virtual interview experience that you'll be having. Now after your second round, which is this interview, if you get through it, you will be called for your third round, which will be an in-person on-site personal interview. So there will be quite less number of students in this round. So around 25 to 30 students generally get selected for this round. So you will have 2 technical interview rounds in this on-site interview. So in your first technical round, you'll be given another coding question, which again you will have to solve with the best possible time complexity, space complexity, come up with the best data structure that you can implement for your question. You can go through the PYQs for Microsoft Internship in sites like Geeks for Geeks. They have plenty. So again, after you get through your coding question, they will be asking you some questions related to your project, some questions related to OOPS and operating systems as well. So for this round, remember when you're solving your DSA question, they will be giving you pen and paper to solve the coding question. So make sure you know your approach from before so that you don't have to be untidy when you're submitting your code, so that the interviewer doesn't get irritated, because he's not just taking one interview, he's taking multiple. So make sure to have a clean and tidy code that you will write and then submit to your interviewer. Now, once you get through the first round, only then you'll be allowed to sit for your second round, which will be an on site round again. So, in your second round, it will be an HR plus technical round, which will be shortly after your first interview. So again, you will, in since it's an HR round as well, you will have to introduce about yourself, what hobbies you have, what interests you. A very important question that you'll be asked is, what qualities do you have that make you a great fit for Microsoft? So focus on your strengths, prepare for this answer from beforehand. Focus on your strengths, about what projects you have made, what tech stacks you have explored in your college. I mean, whatever college life you have in your college, it can be bachelor's or master's. So make sure to emphasize on whatever experiences that you've had in your college and what you've learned from those, even the non-technical skills that you have developed being a part of any say college club or society. You can emphasize, because this is an HR round. So this will be the last round that you will have to sit for in your Microsoft hiring process. The eligibility qualifications that they have listed are very less, so you can go ahead and apply right away before the link expires. And if you're liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently about internships and job openings, especially for college students, so on the lookout for this. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.